Enjoy main-level living in this gorgeous, move-in ready home backing to a Greenspace. It's an amazing location, just minutes from nature parks, walking trails, Persimmon Country Club, and sports parks. Heading inside, discover freshly refinished hardwood floors, abundant natural light, and an inviting open-concept floor plan. The large covered decks provide generous green space views. The beautiful kitchen features granite countertops, a large island, and newer stainless steel appliances. French doors open to the main level office or fourth bedroom. You'll find a formal dining room with high ceilings. Relax in the spacious main-level primary suite with brand new high-end carpet, complete with a well-appointed ensuite bath and a large walk-in closet. This home of more than 2,500 square feet has a large second family room on the lower level with a built-in wet bar and extra storage space. Plus 2 additional bedrooms and a large guest bath. A walkout covered deck also provides year-round forest views. Complete with a tranquil water feature, stamped concrete, and terraced yard space. A well-maintained, beautiful move-in ready home in a fantastic location. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.